Welcome to Blakeney Cottage. I'm Mike. I'm going to give you a brief instructional tour of a 4-oven electric or night storage AGA. We've got one of these on the Mid-Norfolk farm and also at Gardener's Cottage. There are a couple of buttons on the top. You don't need to touch these at all. The red button here is the fan. Do not try using it as a fan assisted oven. The fan empties the heat and any smoke, so it's only used if you are burning anything in one of the AGAs and filling a room with smoke. So disaster only. Don't touch that fan and other conditions. The temperature switch here should not again be used to switch the AGA up and down. The settings should be left on 4 at all times. The 4-oven AGA has 2 hobs. When not in use, keep the hob covers closed as shown here. The central hob is the boiling hob. Use this to bring vegetable pans and other dishes to the boil. As soon as they come to the boil, transfer them with their lids on into the simmering oven, which is the top left-hand oven. The one below it is just the warming oven. You can use this to heat plates or keep things just at their temperature once they have been cooked for up to half an hour to an hour. Anything left in there won't dry out but will remain warm. Here is a warming plate as well. You can use this to transfer hot pans from the boiling ring or simmering ring before placing them in the oven. The other hob on the right hand side is the simmering hob. Again, keep the lid down when not in use. The covers we provide protection for the stainless steel covers, so try not to put anything on top of the hob covers if you can manage to do so, because it just damages them. The top right hand oven is the roasting oven. This is the hottest of your ovens. There's an adjustable tray inside which can be moved up or down depending on the cookware that you're using. The bottom of this oven can be used to fry things, so frying pans with removable handles can be placed in here to fry. You can also use the top of the oven as a grill, so by moving the plate upwards, again, frying pans or grill pans or the roasting pans can go in at the top and that will act as a grill. The bottom right hand AGA oven is the baking oven, again with adjustable tray, and this is used for slow cooking or baking cakes, those type of things. Now there's a video provided, a DVD video provided in Gardener's Cottage, which we will locate to one of the side drawers in the cupboards on either side of the AGA, and that will give you further instructions. There's also quite a few cookbooks provided specific for AGA cooking in the cottage, which you may also wish to refer to. Thanks for watching.